Oh, folks, do-it-yourself Dell. Looking at my new ceiling mirror in the living room.
Just take the whole thing.
And then just kind of feed it in like that, right?
Jeez.
In like, oh,
Meatball's on fire today.
and we're in.
How many times have you guys touched the mirror?
Oh shit. Yeah,
Got 1,000 fingerprints.
yeah, there's quite a bit of burn.
I was sweating. Wait, you make sure you have it so it doesn't just straight up drop.
It's not gonna drop. He's doing fine.
Yeah, he's crushing
In the
it.
groove?
Wait.
Oh,
Oh,
you gotta get your fingers out of there
oh,
too.
that is true.
Oh, the
A
back.
little more this way.
Yeah.
Try to get the call out.
Oh
Wait, no, you got it.
no.
You say, oh no, it's
All we want to hear is there's a big piece of crap.
oh no. Oh, it's hot.
Meatball handle this like a
Question
champ.
is cold as-
Oh, yeah, you almost got hypothermia.
What is it, 92 in here?
No, I think the weather machine would say inside and outside
Oh,
temp.
market jack?
Those cords. There's so many cords up there too. Oh jeez.
Now it's in that side, but now
Get over there.
I think we have to take this out. Can we take this out?
No, that's like it's part of it. It's holding up all the rest of them.
The ceiling could crumble at any point. Yeah, keep hitting it.
Okay, we are close.
This?
Yes, so we gotta drop it straight up.
People just walked in here. He's immediately just like, oh,
Yes?
is that a good
All right, now
snap
we got the
or a
corner.
bad?
This corner.
I mean,
I don't think it could snap.
is it like a Lego?
You gotta
set,
get your
or-
thumb out of there, I
or
think.
thumb poke it?
This one
So we're
is-
close.
Yeah.
Are 3 of them in?
Two.
Like
Two.
2?
Even leave
I
it
gotta
like
lift.
that.
What about starting the other one?
I don't think that's a big deal to get that in there because it's close.
It's stuck on the metal.
Did you do this at Spectrum Meatball? Like stuff through the.
We're only,
roof
I'd,
or
I'd
this
say
one?
maybe there.
Oh!
Wow.
It's just a
Yeah,
question
that's
of
Did
turning
you bend
this,
the metal? Oh, you turn that
turn it
part.
here towards the
Okay.
middle, it'll bend.
Oh.
Now you know
But
you're
not
doing it
on
for
the
next
end,
one.
it's harder to do.
All right, next piece is over there.
Man, I
Uh,
don't believe this. You don't know how we struggled and got nowhere.
Oh, God.
You come in and 2 seconds later, it's in. Okay. Okay, so I'll get this up there. You did before, and then this will up. I think.
Drop it in there.
Wow.
Man,
That was even easier.
After he gets a little practice, the second one don't take so long.
Now we
I don't
gotta.
believe this. I really don't. I don't believe it.
That was quick.
Get the windows. So, all that, does it make the room seem bigger?
It does. Oh, yeah.
I think the
It's a
mirrors
cool, like, optical illusion.
that
like,
you
this
can
is the other,
fit
this is
and
the other
see
side.
make it seem bigger, but doesn't hurt anything.
Hold on. Let's get a.
Because we already,
selfie here.
We already burnt
Oh, that's
the
nice.
ceiling tiles.
Wow.
I'm gonna order some more of those.
Why do you need more?
Look at
So I don't have
Oh,
to
wow,
run
look
so
at you.
far to
There's
get one,
selfie.
'cause whenever I
like,
need it,
Like,
this
there's a
isn't where
cool
I need
effect
it.
because it's like from the
I paid
upside
like
down.
20-some bucks
Yeah,
for
that's
that
kinda
30
cool.
years ago. And it was one of my brainy ideas to kind of give the room a different feel to it. I noticed that using vertical mirrors in various places makes rooms seem bigger and gives it a nicer, not so confined feel to it. And so I thought, boy, that'll work in the living room. Well, it's got a different effect, but it's not exactly what I wanted. but I think you can see from my left here, we got the studio lights beaming up, and I'm trying to look straight up too. We've also got some lights off of kind of reflectors. What started it out was the kitchen, behind the kitchen sink, started putting in some mirrors, and it really gave the kitchen a different feel to it, a different kind of less restricting kind of ambiance to it. And so we thought, well, maybe in other rooms too. And the vertical mirrors worked, and so we thought we'd try it here. So if you look at from a certain place without the lights, the mirrors look darker. But with the lights, with certain perspectives in the room, it's kind of like having the brightness. After the light goes to the mirror, it's get brighter than what you see looking into the light directly. So in that way, you're getting kind of a more intensive light, but you're not staring into it. So that was our thinking on it, and let us know if you have any comments. You like it, you don't like it, you maybe have some other ideas that might improve on this idea. We'd be happy to hear from you. Is that all right? It's all right.